If you are an Amazon seller, you know how much time and effort it takes to find the right product, a reliable supplier, and then create a listing that actually converts. But if you could get all three ready to go in one simple pack, yes, you can. Meet the Sellerhook Bundle, your shortcut to launching a winning product without research headaches. Inside, you get one trending product idea, hot, high potential, and ready to sell. One verified supplier already vetted for quality and trust, and one SEO crafted Amazon listing built to rank and convert from the day one. Let me give you an example from one of our recent bundle, the temperature controlled travel mug. A stylish smart mug that keeps drinks hot at 131 degree Fahrenheit for up to 90 minutes unplugged. Our research confirmed 961 average monthly sales, over $83,000 in monthly revenue, and low competition with plenty of room for new sellers. The bundle also includes a verified supplier, trade assurance protected with over 8 years of experience. You will get pricing, MOQ, customization option, and even estimated shipping costs all ready for you to act on. And finally, done for you SEO listing optimization with high volume, low competition keywords. That means faster ranking, better visibility, and more sales, saving your hours of research and testing. With the Sellerhook Bundle, you skip the trial and error. You focused on what matters most, launching and scaling your store. And here is something special. I'm giving you this entire product package completely free, so you can see exactly how it works and why it is so powerful. If you want more products like this ready to sell with verified supplier and SEO listing, just head to and grab your own Sellerhook bundle today. This is the same shortcut I would want if I was starting again. Now it's yours. So click the link and let's start building your next bestseller.